Whether you believe it or not, voting impacts every single one of you, and your vote matters. If you are a US citizen, you meet your state's residency requirements, you're 18 years old by election day, and are registered to vote by your state's deadline, then you should be voting. However, being a college student can make getting to the polls difficult, especially if you are far from home. Luckily, you can cast your vote via mail using an absentee ballot. This is just a different ballot for people who can't make it to their polling location on election day. It contains the same exact election information, but can instead be mailed in. I'm going to take you through the step by step process of absentee voting. Since this process may vary a little for each state, this tutorial reflects that of West Virginia's. First, you must apply for an absentee ballot. To find this, just go to your state's website. I've logged on to West Virginia's. You can also look up absentee voting in your state. Mine's West Virginia. And the link will be easy to find. Once you find it, print the ballot. In this case, nothing is done electronically. Complete both your home address and current mailing address. Note, your current mailing address can be a dorm or apartment. Next, check which box marks your specific reason for absentee voting. In West Virginia, a valid excuse must be given for requesting an absentee ballot. As a college student, you will check the box next to attendance at college or university or other place of education or training. Note that the address to which the ballot is sent must be in a different county than the one in which you are voting. This means if you are presently attending West Virginia University and Monongalia County is your home county, then you are expected to vote in person. The request for the ballot must be mailed in by October 30th. Once you complete your application, you will receive a ballot in the mail. You can return it either by mail or in person. If you mail it, it must be postmarked by Election Day, in this case, November 5th. Exact details for where to send it will be with the ballot when you receive it, so pay close attention. You should mail your ballot a week before the due date to ensure that it gets in on time. There are also in-person drop-off locations that can be found on the West Virginia Secretary of State website. You can also drop it off at your county clerk's office up until the day before Election Day, in this case, November 4th. If it is your first time voting, you need to include a copy of a form of ID with the ballot when you return it. This must include your first and last name as well as a current address. Examples are valid photo identification, utility bill, a bank statement, government check, paycheck, or any other official government document. Once you have mailed or dropped off your ballot, the West Virginia Secretary of State website has an absentee ballot tracker. This shows you all the important updates that you may need. The importance of voting truly cannot be understated. There absolutely is no excuse to not vote, even for college students. It doesn't get much easier than absentee voting. Request your ballot by October 30th and mail it so it's received by Election Day on November 5th, or drop it off before Election Day on November 4th. Take advantage of this easy process and remember, your vote matters. Thank you so much and happy voting.